fell in love, that's okay, that's we in love. Oh my God, I fell in love with the love. Show me love, I give you love. Fell in love, I fell in love. I want it for the love. Show me love, show me love. Fell in love, fell in love, and that's okay. Some love, me in that bed, give me eggs. I want that, just stays. Close your eyes, don't shed no tears. Keep it dark, no shit. I'm out the bed, you want it late. You fuck me slow. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know. And today is a weekend in my life. Today is Saturday, June 25th. And it is around 7 o'clock. I'm getting ready to go out. I'm going to go to the beach with my sisters and my friend. And we're going to have a good time. It's been a while since I've been to the beach, so you know. The girl is excited. Oh, look, I did my nails. I did them myself. Can't go on, right? Right. So, I'm about to get ready right about now. I will see you guys when I get ready because it's not much to do. Like, clean up, shower, wash my face, brush my teeth. The works. So, yeah. That is what I'm about to do. It's been a while. Honestly, it's been a while since I've been shooting a vlog. I was just not feeling the vibes. Plus, at work, I'm in triage. And, oi! Sir! Not to mention, I'm in triage. And literally, triage is the same thing every day, just me in the basement. I've shown you guys a day in my life while I'm in triage already. I'll probably link that in this video. But there was nothing new. There was nothing changing. There was nothing exciting to add. So it would just be me doing the same thing every day. Day in, day out. Day in, day out. Which to me would be boring. So, I just didn't bother. Anyways, so yeah. Heading out to the beach. So I'll take you guys along with me. And in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's try and get to 2K, like, you know, before my birthday. My birthday is August. Let's try and get to 2K if we can. Or at least 1.5. Yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, so I am ready now, dressed in the swimsuit. I am just going to be packing my beach bag. There it is. So I'm going to show you guys what I bring with me to the beach. Not all the time. Well, I bring all of these stuff all the time, but they're additional stuff. Like my camera, which I'm currently using to film, is one of the things. So, first thing, towel. You know, dry off. Makes sense, obviously. So I'm going to just put it in the bag here. Tell me, someone explain to me, why is it that only when I film, Casper decides I need to play with this squeaky toy? Right, so towel. As you can see, they're all, well, I don't know if you guys can see, but they're all on my bed. Like, yeah, I'm bringing it closer. Right, so towel. So I'm gonna go to my bed, change a shirt, money, purse. This is my, this is what I put my phone in. It's a waterproof case. I don't need to see these bits. Cover up. Hat. This is my gimbal and this is my tripod. Sometimes if I'm going alone, I would bring the big tripod. If I'm going by myself, I'll bring... Casper, stop moving the stuff now. Jesus Christ, man. If I'm going by myself, I'll bring the big tripod. So, charger. So I'm going to put these in here. Some of the technological stuff. Charger. In here. Underwater camera. Deodorant. Sunscreen. Lotion. body oil, body spray. This one is for shimmer, and this one is to spray after when I change. And a little perfume. So that's it. I'm also going to obviously grab my keys, my phone, and the camera that I'm using, and now it's time. Oh, and obviously last but certainly not least, sunglasses. How you doing? Oh, and my external hard drive. Yeah, those are the stuff I carry. So I'm about to head out now. I'll see you guys when I'm on the road. Alright, later. Hey guys, so we decided to stop in Ocho Rios Island Village to go to Margaritaville, Ocho Rios, just to see what the vibe was like. So on the weekends, usually Margaritaville allows you to use the beach. However, you have to buy food and drink. And you know, with a tourist destination, they charge in USD. So we wanted to see if it actually made good sense, good financial sense in these trying economic times with our group. So that's where we're heading now. We're going to check it out and see what is required for the entry and to see what they have on the menu if it's something that we'd want. Alright guys, so come with me and let's go. Alright guys, so here's where the journey begins. So we left Margaritaville and we stopped by Ocho Rios Bay Beach. Now this is a public beach operated by the Jamaican government, and it's $200 for entry fee, but the beach was packed. So we went to get some snacks. We stopped and got some snacks, and then we decided to head to Trelawney to go to 876 Beach Club. But on the way, we saw a free beach, a community beach called, I think it's called Fantasy Beach. And so we decided to stop there first before we go to 876
Your channel's name. You guys, my channel is Live in Life. Go and subscribe. Subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. Tell your sister to subscribe. Your cousin, your auntie, your uncle, your grandma, all your dog, your cat, your fish, every one of them. Everybody subscribe. So guys, we finally made it to the beach. Here I am. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, when she came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she remixing for low. She my track queen, let her hit the trend, we be coming up, watch our bottom bands go. Talking about the Lambos, 56 a gram, 100 grams though. Man, I swear I love that how she with the Lambo. Hit the strip club, we be letting the bands go. Everybody hate you, we just call them fans though. And I'm in the money, I ain't never letting go. And And I get robbed with my baby. I feel like the one I'm getting robbed with my baby. And I get robbed with my baby. I be in the kitchen cooking fries. I never stop on my track quick. Cause all we know is biz. I just might snatch a Ferrari. And buy my boo and lamb. I just might snatch.
So we stopped by Scotches to get some jerk before we head home. So change of plans, the line was hella long, so we ended up pre-ordering and stopping by Kingston Jerk on the way home. Hi guys. Oh god, I have no neck. Jeez. So people, I'm on duty right now. Today is Sunday. I have not spoken to you guys all day. So after I came home last night, I was beat, exhausted. I spent like 13 hours on the road, a little over 13 hours on the road. So really tired. So I just cleaned up and went to my bed. This morning, still exhausted. Oh my god. But I ended up like cleaning. I washed my hair. So you guys will see clips from me washing my hair. And then I came to work. I headed to duty. Also like cleaned around the house and stuff like that. So now I'm on duty. I just came off the ward, just reviewed some patients. So I'm lying down, just taking a little break. I don't know. So you guys, I'm tired, but it's like you have physical tiredness and then you have like mental fatigue and then you just have life fatigue. Right now I'm going through life fatigue. Like I just feel tired. Oh my god, I need to start back my vitamins and everything because this is just not it. Oh god. So I have tomorrow off, which is good. Thank God for Jesus, because God said no. Because I'll be post call tomorrow and I'll have the day off tomorrow. So yeah. Right now I'm on the labor ward. Hopefully tonight is a quiet night. Jesus, be a shield and a shepherd. But other than that, so far everything's okay. The patients are fine and everything is doing alright. So let us pray that we continue to have a good night. I'm so sorry that I have not been vlogging with you guys for the past 2 weeks, but let me just explain. I've been on triage, and triage is essential the same thing every day. I'm in the basement. Well, it's not a basement, but I'm in the triage area. I've shown you guys 24 hours in my life. I'm in triage already. I think I might link that here. But it's the same thing over and over day. Again, there's no different or variety in my day. So I just felt like it would be pretty boring to share that with you guys. And I just did not feel inspired, especially when I got home. So that was why I was not filming. I do have other content I want to film, but that's why I was not filming vlogs. I have other content I want to film and other content I've been trying to film, but you know, when I reach home from church, I'm tired, and then I'm tired. I just I'm not motivated. I've been feeling demotivated a little lately, or unmotivated a little bit lately. So I have not been, having the energy or effort to really want to do stuff. But the only way to overcome that is really action. So right now it's all about action, not a bag of mouth. So that's what I'm about to do. I have to just take it day by day, step by step, and just do the things that I need to do and stop complaining. Stop talking and just do. Quit your yapping and get your butt up and just do the damn thing. So that is the mission right about now, to just do what needs to be done and stop chatting about what is going on. Yeah, and if it don't have to be, I don't have to do everything all at once, but I can do small things that leads to the big things. So that is the mentality right now. Alright guys, I'm gonna get some rest. Sorry guys, I'm gonna get some rest. hopefully you guys, enjoy my attempt at another week in my life. Oh my god, I am itching. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This is so lazy. Like, I don't have no neck. Like, oh my god, do I not just seem like a head without a neck like this? Like, that's so creepy. Oh my god. I promise I have a neck, but like this is so creepy. Anyways, alright, I'll see you guys in the next clip later. Ding.